In this video, I am going to show you how to make this dynamic transition in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, corner rectangle shape, drag it like this. Remove its outline, hold Ctrl Shift key and drag it to duplicate. Go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Again hold Ctrl Shift key and drag it to duplicate. Go to Rotate, select Rotate Left 90 degree, size 4 cm and 16.5 cm and adjust. Duplicate. Now right click and open Format Shape. Change the color, make it 30% transparent. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select this all. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Repeat same process. Change the shape color. Click on No Line. Increase transparency. Select this. Duplicate. Change the color. Decrease shape size. Place here and increase transparency. Duplicate the shape. Go to Rotate. Select Flip Vertical and place here. Insert picture from this device. Right click, copy it. Again click right and send to back. Select picture with this shape. Go to Format. Select Intersect from Merge Shape. Do the same process with the rest. Select this. Go to Shadow and select this. Increase size. Do same step with other triangle. Now here you can add your text. Right click, duplicate the slide. Go to first slide. Move text slightly to right and make it transparent. And move triangle out like this. Also move middle triangles towards. It's going to add extra motion. Now go back to second slide and add a morph transition to it and extend the duration by a few seconds. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.